Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send USDT from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's essential for maintaining value in the volatile crypto world, and transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and Binance can open up more trading opportunities. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Binance, and that you have some USDT in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, and cyber threats are everywhere. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and find your USDT balance. Click on it to select the Withdraw option. You'll need to choose the right network for USDT, typically ERC20 on Ethereum or TRC20 on Tron for faster, cheaper transfers. Pro tip: always pick the network that matches what's supported on Binance to avoid any lost funds. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll be prompted to input the recipient's wallet address. Head over to Binance, log in, and go to your wallet section. Copy the USDT deposit address from Binance. Make sure it's for the same network you selected on Coinbase. Paste that address into the Coinbase withdrawal form, specify the amount you want to send, and review the transaction fees. These can vary based on the network, so keep an eye on your costs. Step 3. Confirm the transaction. Coinbase will send you a confirmation email or a 2FA code. Verify it to proceed. Once approved, your USDT will be on its way. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, hop back to Binance and check your wallet to ensure the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or contact support. Remember, always verify addresses to prevent costly mistakes, and be aware of any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect crypto transfers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.